What if the way you are uploading your YouTube short is the reason you are not getting views? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I upload my short and a few things small creator overlook. YouTube short is one of the ways to get views and drive a lot of viewers to your long form content. What I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is something I've actually applied. Like if you look at this my video now, I've gotten over 20,000 views from this video and over 500 plus subscribers from this short form video by just using short. And a lot of people have gotten their channel to over 1,000 subscribers by just uploading YouTube shorts. But before we upload your next YouTube short, you need to take note of some things. Attention span for people watching long form videos and it's different for people watching short form videos. So your hook is very important when you want to upload your short. You should give the viewer a reason not to sweep away. Second, your title and topic. Give viewers a clear reason, or your title should be clear and it should not be clickbait. Your title should explain what they are going to get from the video. Learn how to make use of trending keywords. They are very important in your titling.
So now the first thing you are going to do is to head over to your YouTube app. Then you go to your YouTube channel. Then you look for any video, the video you want to use to remix into short. Then you click on the video. Then you click on that 3 icon. Then it's going to bring you over to this place. Then you click on the icon. Then you're going to see remix. Then you click edit into short. So you're going to click on it. Then it's going to process. Then this is very important. When uploading your short, you are going to make use of the part that is cached. Like I said, your hook is very important, and your video needs to be short. Any video that is more than 3 minutes, I don't consider that as a short. So you are going to click on it. Then we are going to click on text. Now we need to give our short a title so that viewers are going to know what the short is all about. This is also very important to grab their attention. So I'm just going to say the title is going to be how to get views on YouTube. It's going to be on a red color. Always put it on red color. Then you're going to click on text again. Just follow me. Once you click on it, now you are going to put a link. So now we are going to say click the link below for full video. The short you are using is not a full video, so viewer will be wanted to watch the complete video. So you're just going to make it easier for them. So you're just going to put this. So this one now you are going to put it in green color. You're going to put it in green color. After that, you click on next. So you're just going to adjust it. Try to make sure it fits very well. Then you click on next. So it's going to process. So once it's finished processing, it's just going to wait. It doesn't take long. Yeah. So now you click on this pen icon here. Once you click on it, now you are going to give your short a thumbnail. Like you want to give it a thumbnail. So you are going to look at the part of the video that is catchy, that part that grabs attention. So you are going to select it. Now you need to give your short a title. The title is going to be how to get more views on YouTube. Now the next thing I want to show you, this is very important. You need to take note of this. Now you need to always add hashtag to your title. You are going to be adding 3 hashtags. One hashtag is going to be one that has a lot of channel, like the channel user is high. They are going to use a second hashtag, maybe like you see this one now, I say YouTube Shorts. The channel user is very high, 34 million channel and over 580 something million views. So that's going to be our main hashtag. Then if you click on YouTube tips, you can see this one is just 950 something K videos. So that's going to be our middle hashtag. So now let me add the middle hashtag. The middle hashtag is going to be YouTube growth. You can see, so you're going to say hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag YouTube short. Just follow everything. You are going to be fine. So now you see, now this is YouTube growth. This one has 2.6 million views. This is going to be our middle hashtag. Now let's add the main hashtag, which is the YouTube short. So this is going to be I think 586 million videos and 34 million channel. So yeah, this is good. So after you have done that, the next thing is you are going to click on show more. Always put your video on public. No, it's not made for kids unless you are making kids video. Then now you come to your description. In your description aspect, always put the title of your video. Your description should have the title of your video, and those hashtags is very important. So once you have done that, you now go to location. if you look at location now, I won't advise you to put any location, because if you put your video to a particular location, YouTube is going to limit your reach. So it's always advisable to just leave that place so that YouTube can spread your videos to a lot of audience. Now if you come to related video, now we are going to select the video we used to like recreate this shot. So that's the video. I'm going to select it. After that, now the next thing, you are going to scroll down. You are going to come to playlist. Always add your video to playlist. Always emphasizing on this one. If you don't know how to create your playlist yet, you can check my channel. I've made couple of videos on my channel, and it's going to really help you. So once you have done that, now you click on community. Now you say click on short remixing. Always put it on allow video and auto remixing so that people can remix your video, and it's going to expand your reach. Now for collaboration, this is what you need to know. You can collaborate with other creators that are bigger than you. So that, let me just say I want to collaborate with vidIQ. So now you are going to click on search for channel. So let me just say you are going to type the name of the channel you want to collaborate with. The channel I want to collaborate with is vidIQ. Once you click on it, you are now going to send him the link. Like, you can send him through the email, so you can collaborate with any creator. But one thing you need to take note of when collaborating with a creator that is in your niche, something you are doing similar things, so that you can get views. Now you click on AI use, keep it on no, so that YouTube can expand your reach, unless your video is made with AI. If your video is not made with AI, keep it on no. Then you come to tags. Always add tags to your videos. They are very important, like very, very important. This is going to help YouTube to understand your content. So now you're going to be saying how to get views on YouTube. So all these tags now, you can use your own tags related to your niche. I'm just using all this one because my niche, I'm doing YouTube growth. So that's why I'm using all this tag. So you can use tag related to your own niche.
So go and try this out and come back later and thank me. Go and try this out. So we are come to the end of the video. If you do find this video helpful, I want you to please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and also leave your comment in the comment section. I'll be going through the comment section to read the comments. So leave your comments, or you can just say thank you, Tony, for this wonderful video tutorial or anything. So thanks for watching. Till I see you. Peace out.